When you pray, you're not just throwing vain words out there. Prayer takes having a connection. God put the call in the ministry on my life, and he blessed me to become a Ford Motor Company worker. My name is Terrence May. I work for Kentucky Truck Plant, and outside I'm a chaplain and a minister. Welcome to Kentucky Truck Plant, home of the Super Duty. Hey, what's up, Eric? That's Frame Line 1, and Frame Line 1, all they run is Super Duties. And Frame Line 2 runs Super Duties, Expedition, and Navigator. The components that come with making a car is massive. You have a person on the dock like me. I drive from the dock to an area to take parts for those components to go to a workstation for somebody to put the components on the car. So it takes a whole lot of work and effort and togetherness and cohesiveness for us to build a safe and quality truck. At Ford Motor Company with the UAW, we're able to do chaplaincy. I'm able to share my faith with fellow co-workers. I could be who I am openly in my workplace. Meeting Jim Farley, we talked about how they were planning on moving Ford forward. So it was a blessing to hear that from the CEO and just to see how down to earth he was. Him and Mr. Ford.
KTP has always been much more than a plant. It's been a source of pride and opportunity for generations of workers.
I went through the statistics. Like, as Bill said, what you do is just amazing. Since '93, you've built 11 million trucks.
Some people look at work as hard and stressful, but is a positive environment for me. At 19, I wanted to become a Ford Motor Company worker. I seen how it afforded different people that I knew. My uncle, he worked at Ford, he had a pretty good lifestyle. What's up, you all right, Rodney? And it blesses me to take care of my family and to see them grow. That's the thing I'm most proud of in life is my family and how God has blessed me with, man. I'm sorry. Faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. We're building the best truck on earth. When you put your touch on something, you have pride. You put a little love in it.